Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class, question number 10. F of x is equal to x plus 1 if x greater than or equal to 1. X squared plus 1 if x less than 1. Okay. Here, question number 10. F of x is equal to x plus 1 if x greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Next, x squared plus 1 here if x less than 1. Okay. Here, find all points of discontinuity. Here you have to find all points of discontinuity. Therefore, you have to take cases. Okay. Case number 1 here, x greater than 1. Next, x is equal to, at point x is equal to 1. Next, x less than 1. Therefore, 1 2 3 3 cases. Okay. Now, case 1. Here, x greater than 1 का मतलब here 1 2 3 4 up to plus infinity you can take any values. Okay. Therefore, I am taking let k be any real numbers. Okay. Because we can choose 2 or 3 or 4. Okay. Therefore, in this case you have to take let k be. Okay. Here at point means you have to take left hand limit, right hand limit, then f of a. Okay. Now here limit x tends to k, f of x. Here limit x tends to k, f of x, my function here greater than. Therefore, I have to take x plus 1. Okay. Therefore, substitute the value of k here in place of x. Therefore, k plus 1. Okay. Next, f of k. Okay. F of k is nothing but place of x plus 1 you have to substitute k plus 1. Okay. Both are equal. Finally, you have to write here it is continuous at x greater than 1. Okay. Next, case 2, x is equal to 1 at point. Okay. Here you have to take left hand limit, right hand limit equal to f of 1. Okay. All these three should be equal. Then here it is continuous. If left hand limit not equal to right hand limit, therefore here it is discontinuity. Okay. Let us check. Here limit x tends to 1 minus, because here left hand limit I am taking. Okay. Just below 1, 0.9, 0.8. Okay. Minus 0.8, minus 0.9. Okay. Therefore, f of x, here limit x tends to 1 minus. Therefore, here less than. Okay. Less than 1. Therefore, I am taking x squared plus 1. X squared plus 1. Substituting the value of 1 in the place of x. Therefore, 1 squared plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Next, limit x tends to 1 plus, just greater than 1, 1.1, 1.2, like that. Okay. Just greater than 1. Okay. Therefore, limit x tends to 1 plus. Here greater than 1 you have to take this function. Okay. X plus 1. Therefore, here x plus 1. You have to substitute the 1 in the place of x. Therefore, here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, these two are satisfied. Next, f of 1. Here f of 1 is nothing but greater than or equal to 1. Therefore, you have to take x plus 1. This is my function. Therefore, x plus 1. You have to substitute in the place of x 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Therefore, left hand limit, right hand limit equal to f of 1. All are equal. Therefore, here it is continuous. Okay. 1 plus f of x is equal to f of 1 equal to 2. Therefore, here it is continuous at x is equal to 1. Okay, at point here it is continuous. Okay, next, case 3. Okay, case 3, here x, case 1, here we have taken x greater than 1. Therefore, case 3 here less than 1. Okay, therefore limit, here we can take 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity. You can choose any values. So that I am taking, let k be any real numbers. Okay, k be any real numbers. Limit x tends to k f of x. Therefore, you have to take less than 1. Therefore, here x less than 1. Therefore, I am taking x squared plus 1. This is my function. Limit x tends to k f of x, here x squared plus 1. You have to substitute the value of k in the place of x. Therefore, k squared plus 1. Next, f of k, here x squared plus 1. Therefore, in the place of x you have to substitute the k squared plus 1. Therefore, these two are satisfying. Finally, you have tried, it is continuous at x less than 1. Okay, here my function is continuous. Next, question number 11. Okay, f of x is equal to x cube minus 3 if x less than or equal to 2. X squared plus 1 if x greater than 2. Okay, I am taking f of x, my given function is equal to x cube minus 3 if x less than or equal to 2. Okay, next, x squared plus 1 if x greater than 2. Okay, therefore here find all points of discontinuity. Okay, in this case you have to check case 1, x less than 2. Okay, next, x is equal to, at point x is equal to 2. Next, x greater than 2. You have to satisfy this 3 condition. Okay, now case number 1, here x less than 2. Okay, less than 2 का मतलब 2, 1, 0. From here you can take any values. Okay, up to minus infinity. So I am taking, let k be any real numbers. Okay, let k be any real numbers. Limit x tends to k f of x, okay, equal to limit x tends to k. Here my function f of x less than 2, you have to check. Here less than 2 is x cube minus 3, therefore x cube minus 3. In the place of x you have to substitute k, k cube minus 3. Okay, next f of k, here x cube minus 3, therefore in the place of x you have to substitute your value k, k cube minus 3. Okay, next here both are satisfied, therefore here it is continuous at x is less than 2. Here it is continuous, my function is continuous. Okay, next at point case 2, x is equal to 2, you have to check the at point. Here left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of a. F of a is nothing but x is equal to a, here 2, therefore 2, you have to satisfy the तीन conditions, the value should be same. Okay, here left hand limit not equal to right hand limit, then here it is discontinuous. Okay, let us check. Here left hand limit, limit x tends to 2 minus, okay, here minus in the sense less than 2, you have to take 1.9 1.8, okay, f of x, therefore here limit x tends to 2 minus, here my function is less than, therefore you have to take x cube minus 3. Okay, here you have to substitute your value in the place of x, therefore 2 cube minus 3, therefore 2 cube here 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, next limit x tends to 2 plus right hand limit, okay, just greater than 2, 2.1 2.1 2, you can take like that. F of x, here limit x tends to 2 plus, therefore just greater than, I am taking x squared plus 1, here this is my function x squared plus 1, here you have to substitute the value of x, therefore 2 squared plus 1 equal to 4 plus 1 5, therefore here it is 5, here also it is 5. Next you have to check at point f of 2, here less than or equal to, here I have to take x cube minus 3, this is my function, here x cube minus 3, in the place of x here 2, substitute 2 cube minus 3, 2 cube is 8, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, therefore left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of a. F of a is nothing but f of 2, therefore here it is continuous at x is equal to 2. Next case 3, here x greater than 2, okay, less than 2 completed, x is equal to 2, at point here we completed. Next x is greater than 2, okay, greater than 2 का मतलब 2 3 4 up to plus infinity, you can choose any of the values, so that I am taking let k be any real numbers, okay, k be any real numbers, therefore limit x tends to k f of x, here greater than, therefore my function is x squared plus 1. I have to choose this function. Okay, limit x tends to k x squared plus 1. Therefore, place of x you have to substitute k squared plus 1. Next, f of k. Therefore, here x squared plus 1 is equal to k squared plus 1. Finally, you have to write limit x tends to k f of x is equal to f of k is equal to k squared plus 1. Therefore, here it is satisfying. Here it is given function is continuous. Okay, at x greater than 2. I hope you all understood the video. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad.